A Mammisi is an ancient Egyptian small chapel attached to a larger temple built from the late period 664–332 BCE and associated with the nativity of a god. The word is derived from Coptic and meaning birthplace. From the end of the late period, these buildings confirm the restoration of royal power that each dynasty will strive to assert in the very heart of the great sanctuaries of the country, including the Roman emperors. Major temples, inhabited by a divine triad, could be completed by a peristyle-surrounded Mammisi, in which the goddess of the triad would give birth to the son of the triad itself. The son, whose divine birth was celebrated annually, was associated with the pharaoh. The most important surviving examples in Dendera, Edfu, Kom Ombo and Philae are from the Ptolemaic and Roman periods in Egypt, but the first one, in Dendera, dates back to the 30th dynasty Pharaoh Nectanebo I, one of the last native rulers of Egypt. The Mammisi of Edfu was built during the Ptolemaic period, 332–30 BCE. The Mammisi was the destination of an annual procession leaving from the main temple to celebrate the festival of the divine birth of Horus, son of the divine couple Horus and Hathor. Performances of singing and dancing took place in the courtyard area, which was open to the public. Inscriptions on the walls of the Mammisi suggest that the festival also included a dramatic recreation of the divine birth scene. Approximately 200 ritual scenes are depicted throughout this temple, and the most important are concerned with the birth, nutrition, and coronation of the divine child. Additionally, the walls were covered with various protective gods and spells to safeguard the mother and child during childbirth.